Have you ever wondered what happens when a curious cat meets their own reflection? Well, today we're about to find out. Here they come, ready to face the mystery of the mirror. What's this? Is it a new friend, or just some strange mirror-like magic? In a world of reflection, who is the real one? Let's see what happens next. Did it just move? Ah, the classic play move. Look at that energy. Who knew mirrors were such great playmates? But wait, does the cat now know the secret of the mirror? Or is the mystery just beginning? One thing's for sure, cats and mirrors are a match made in curiosity heaven. Does your cat love mirrors? Please share and subscribe for more cat videos.